Signs that your air conditioner needs repair in Port Richey, Florida. Instead of suffering in the scorching heat of Florida, make sure you maintain and repair your air conditioner on a regular basis. We will go over the top warning signs that indicate your air conditioner needs to be repaired right away. Warm air is coming out of your vents. Insufficient airflow. Frequent cycles. Water leaks. Bad odor and unusual noises coming from AC. High humidity in your home. Finding out your air conditioner needs repair can be stressful, but we're here to help. For over 30 years, our skilled technicians at Allied AC have provided dependable air conditioning services to clients throughout Florida. We offer AC repair, routine maintenance, and installation in Port Richey, Florida and the surrounding areas. Find out more at www.alliedac.com or give us a call at 727-888-5532.